Hello everyone, my name is Locho, and in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can use baking powder in your garden as a pesticide, basically, because pesticide both involves the insecticides and the fungicides. So that means it can kill insects and also prevent fungal infections. So baking soda or baking powder is also referred to as bicarbonate and is very efficient and cost-effective fungicide and insecticide. Why? Because you can find it near you, and because this is a product that we basically use in our kitchen. It has also been recommended by EPA that it can be used especially on fungal infections such as powdery mildew. So when you sprinkle them, especially near the base of the plant, it usually kills or deter the cutworms and slugs. So it's very useful also in against insects like ants and also roaches. But how does it work? Which mechanism does it use to kill the plant? So it basically releases carbon dioxide into the insect's body system when ingested, and therefore that is what kills the insects. So as a fungicide, baking soda usually leaves an alkaline residue on the plant surface, which is wholly conducive to hosting fungal spore. And so when that particular spore is not able to survive on the surface of the leaf, for instance, the mildew and the fungus, which are usually deprive the condition on which they can be able to grow, so it usually results to them dying off. So we should be able to apply it in the evenings or at dusk when you're spraying it, because when you spray it during the day, it may result to leaf burn. So you also try maybe during an overcast, as long as it doesn't rain on that day, because when it rains, it usually washes away the spray. So for insecticide, because insecticide are those insects that come and eat the plants, and the most affected ones are usually the cabbages and the lettuce. They're usually affected by the caterpillars and the cutworms. So a simple home remedy which can assist to prevent that, you can just mix that is 50 by 50, that is baking soda and flour, and then sprinkle them on the particular plants that you want. So for fungicide application, it works best as a preventive measure. Why? Because it's effective in eliminating existing fungal infections. So if you already have a fungus problem, the first thing you need to do is to remove the organic mulch that is around maybe that plant, because by default most of the fungus will have fallen on that particular mulch. So removing them will be a very good thing. But also don't take them into the compost, because it will be a continuation of the generation of that particular fungal that had already been on that particular plant. So we recommend that you burn those particular mulch to stop the generations from continuing. So then you can spray the plant itself and also spray around the plant surface, so that you ensure that it completely kills that. But you need to take a precaution, because if you rely mostly on a persistent spraying of baking soda, the sodium component in the baking soda might accumulate for quite a long time, and that will become toxic to your plants. So those are some of the uses and some precautions that I've given that you can use baking soda in your garden. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video.